Welcome to World Code Updates, your daily briefing on everything happening around the world. Tonight, breaking news from the Indo-Pacific. Japan has made a historic proposal to the Philippines. Tokyo is offering to transfer up to 6 advanced Ayukuma-class destroyer escorts to the Philippine Navy. This isn't just a sale, it's a powerful statement of support between two island nations facing mounting maritime pressure. The transfer would be the most significant upgrade in Philippine Navy history, giving it credible new capabilities in the contested South China Sea. Chinese vessels have become a constant, aggressive presence near Philippine-held features, outmatching the aging Philippine fleet. Japan's offer could be a game-changer, providing modern warships designed for today's challenges. The Yukuma-class ships are floating platforms of advanced technology, built to deter aggression and assert sovereign rights. The implications extend far beyond Manila, sending a clear message to Beijing. Regional neighbors are forging stronger defense partnerships. For the Philippines, this is a monumental opportunity to move from outdated patrol craft to sophisticated anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare. This move could alter the region's strategic calculus, boosting a key U.S. ally and reinforcing the commitment to a free and open Indo-Pacific. The transfer isn't finalized, political and logistical hurdles remain, but the proposal itself signals evolving geopolitical dynamics. It highlights Japan's growing role as a security provider and the Philippines' determination to protect its interests. These warships are more than steel, they're symbols of a deepening alliance and a bold step toward regional stability. Japan's offer to transfer 6 Yukuma-class destroyer escorts marks a profound policy shift. Historically, Japan's pacifist constitution limited military exports, but this move demonstrates Tokyo's deep commitment to its partners. The proposal is a direct result of a new security framework, Japan, the Philippines, and the U.S. strengthening trilateral cooperation in response to China. This transfer moves beyond joint exercises into the realm of hard power. By providing these ships, Japan is investing in the Philippines' ability to contribute to collective security. The Yukuma-class vessels are modern, commissioned as recently as 2022, not old hand-me-downs but advanced platforms for modern warfare. Offering such ships shows the trust Japan places in the Philippines as a reliable ally. This level of cooperation between former adversaries highlights the dramatic realignment of regional powers. The proposal strengthens a key partner, enhances regional stability, and sends a strong deterrent signal to potential adversaries. It also solidifies Japan's position as a proactive contributor to Indo-Pacific security. For the Philippines, it's a lifeline, a leap in naval power it couldn't achieve alone for years. The offer lays the groundwork for a deeper, integrated defense relationship. Its consequences will echo across the region for years to come. The Yukuma-class destroyer escort is a marvel of modern naval engineering. Its stealthy, angular design makes it hard to detect, crucial in today's high-tech battlespace. Compact yet powerful, it's built for efficiency in coastal environments like the South China Sea. The ship excels in anti-submarine warfare, with advanced sonar systems and torpedoes to counter underwater threats. For surface threats, it carries long-range anti-ship missiles and a 5-inch main gun, plus a CRAM system for close-in defense. Its OPY-2 radar tracks multiple targets with precision, while an integrated combat management system fuses all sensor data for rapid decision-making. Automation allows a small crew to operate the ship efficiently. This combination of stealth, weaponry, and sensors makes the Yukuma class a formidable platform. It's not a massive blue water destroyer, but a specialized vessel perfect for defending maritime territory. For the Philippine Navy, acquiring this ship would be a generational leap forward. To grasp the scale of this upgrade, consider the Philippine Navy's current fleet, mostly retired ships from other nations like old U.S. Coast Guard cutters. These aging vessels lack modern sensors, advanced weapons, and stealth, making them vulnerable against modern adversaries. Their main role has been maritime presence, not combat. The Yukuma class is a transformational leap, not just an incremental improvement. The Navy's current anti-submarine capability is minimal. The Yukuma class would introduce a credible ASW screen to protect vital sea lanes. Its long-range missiles would give the Philippines an offensive punch it's never had. The advanced radar and combat system provides situational awareness impossible with older ships. Networking with Japanese and U.S. assets would boost joint operations. The Jose Rizal-class frigates from South Korea were a good start, but the Yukuma class brings specialized ASW and advanced sensors. Together, these ships would create a layered defense, each class bringing unique strengths. The Yukuma class would add a whole new dimension of naval power to the Philippines. The offer is promising, but the transfer faces major challenges. Export restrictions on sensitive technology mean Tokyo and Washington must approve the deal, and some systems may be downgraded or replaced. Operational and maintenance costs will be substantial, requiring a long-term funding plan to avoid logistical burdens. Training is another hurdle. Operating these advanced ships demands highly skilled crews and extensive instruction, likely in Japan. Building institutional knowledge for 6 such vessels is a massive undertaking. Integrating the ships into the existing fleet will require new doctrines, tactics, and procedures. Communication and coordination with older vessels must be addressed. These are not just technical issues, but strategic ones. Overcoming these hurdles, export approvals, funding, training, and integration, will be as important as acquiring the ships themselves. Success will depend on commitment from both nations. The payoff, a modernized, capable Philippine Navy, but the path will not be easy. 6 Yukuma-class warships would shift the military balance in the South China Sea. The Philippines has long faced China's gray zone tactics with little more than observation. With Yukuma-class ships, the Philippines gains a credible deterrent, capable of detecting submarines and launching long-range missiles. These ships can patrol the vast exclusive economic zone, monitor surface and underwater threats, and assert sovereignty. Enhanced maritime domain awareness means foreign vessels can no longer operate with impunity. The anti-submarine capabilities are vital in a region where underwater threats are growing. The Philippines becomes a more valuable security partner for allies like the U.S. and Japan. These warships provide options, escorting supply missions, protecting fishing fleets, and safeguarding resources. Their presence stabilizes the region, promoting dialogue over coercion. This transfer is about more than hardware. It's a profound deepening of the Japan-Philippines partnership. Once defined by World War II, their relationship is now shaped by shared challenges and a commitment to a rules-based Indo-Pacific. The deal symbolizes trust, reconciliation, and a new era of cooperation. For Japan, empowering the Philippines strengthens its own security and protects vital sea lanes. The transfer reinforces trilateral cooperation with the U.S., boosting interoperability and joint response capabilities. It weaves the Philippines more tightly into the region's security architecture. Beyond the military, it opens doors for collaboration in defense industry, personnel exchanges, and disaster relief. Close military ties build lasting trust and relationships. This deal is a catalyst for a broader, deeper partnership. It signals that Japan and the Philippines' security and prosperity are now inextricably linked. The Yukuma-class transfer embodies the one theater strategy, treating the East and South China Seas as a single integrated theater. Security in one affects the other, demanding collective defense among maritime democracies. The same actors and tactics threaten both seas, from maritime militias to disregard for international law. Japan and the Philippines can now share information and resources to counter these threats. The Yukuma-class ships, with advanced networking, become key nodes in this information-sharing network. Joint exercises with the U.S. and Australia build interoperability and demonstrate resolve. Japanese-built warships in the Philippine fleet make integration seamless. The goal: deter conflict by showing a united, prepared coalition. The transfer is a crucial piece in this collective defense posture. In conclusion, the Yukuma-class transfer is more than a military transaction. It's a pivotal moment for the Indo-Pacific. These warships would give the Philippine Navy a credible multi-mission capability it's never had. They'd serve as guardians of sovereignty, protecting maritime resources and frontline personnel. This deal marks a strategic convergence between Manila and Tokyo, built on shared values and mutual respect. It strengthens the alliance network that underpins regional peace and stability. Challenges remain: funding, training, integration, but they can be overcome with commitment. A more capable Philippine Navy means a more stable balance of power and open seas for all. The silhouette of an Yukuma-class frigate in Philippine waters would symbolize hope, resilience, and alliance. These ships are not just instruments of war, they're tools for peace. They are the future guardians of a stable, prosperous region, ensuring freedom and cooperation for all.